just the right amount of wind, make it difficult, slap my knee and my legs on a few of the barriers there, but what's a steeple workout without some bruises on there? But it was good. It's just what I needed.
Nice. What did you guys hit today?
So we started at 221 and worked our way down to 215 for the 800s, and then 45s for those 300s with 100 rest.
Nice. And how are you feeling in your build up here to the trials?
Pretty good. Got a solid crew behind me. I've got Mark out here who's been coming out for all my workouts, keeping me going. Joe's out here making sure I get my stuff together, hotels, flights, everything up there. And, I've got a great organization in the Aggies helping me out, and HOKA is just an amazing sponsor to, get everything done for me. And I'm very fortunate and very lucky to be a part of this club.